gonna start with one of my family's favorite meals. It's pancakes. And I make my pancakes, very simple recipe. We're basically swapping out some of the liquid for the cottage cheese. In my mixing bowl here, I have flour, baking soda, and baking powder. I have a little bit of coconut sugar. You can certainly use white sugar if you want. Some melted butter, vanilla extract, and then the star of the show is going to be our cottage cheese. It's gonna give it a little bit of salt to this recipe as well and a nice texture. Very easy here. I don't wanna over whisk. I do wanna make sure I get all of that egg mixed up in here. If your batter's a little too thick, you can add a little bit of cold water to it. A little bit of buttermilk is gonna be great as well. And we want our batter to sit for a little bit. And it's time now to cook our pancakes. Do they have to be perfect circles? I don't think so. Honestly, it's all about flavor. And it's time for the moment of truth. There's the flip. You can see the air bubbles on the side of the pancake. That's how you know that they're ready to flip. Look how big and fluffy these pancakes are. 2 giant packs of butter, some maple syrup that was warmed up in the microwave.